Gemini Diffusion is here, and this is the first Gemini Diffusion model used for text, and it has the performance of Gemini 2.0 Flash Lite, so it's a small model, but it has 5 times more speed. I received early access to it and we're going to test it out. Again, don't expect amazing results. What we will be benchmarking is the quality to speed trade-off. So let's see the response. It also has a web preview. It's already from the ground up, ready for coding. And this is the response. And oh my god, this response is really good looking. It was so fast to generate. It was like, what just happened? Guys, what just happened? It literally one-shotted it, two-shotted it. Oh my god. You can also have this instant edit option here that you can like check or change something super easily. Oh my god, this was shocking, guys. And I have never seen anything like that before. Guys, the website looked good, but it generated in literally a second. It has, if you see the video, I will leave it down below where we see the benchmark and the announcement. It generates 2000 tokens per second. Look at this, guys. Look at this real-time speed. Oh my god, it's so fast. Oh, and it's working well. I mean, for simple applications, it does the job. I mean, it creates a good SPX calculator. It creates this transformer page that we usually do. I really want to see if it can actually access the web. So I'm really interested to see if it can do that. I don't think it can, but no matter what, we will give it a look. It says that it cannot actually do this thing because it's not able to access that. So that's perfectly fine. But oh my god, look at this, guys. It responded in 1.3 seconds, 700 tokens. This is insane, man. Okay, let's make a Flappy Bird game. I'm going to just put it in the same content and context. Boom, it generates the game so fast. Guys, this is shocking. Let's try the game. Let's try the game and we will try also the new application that is this instant edit. But if you want to learn more about AI, learn how to leverage AI, make sure to click on my course down below. I teach you all of the available tools out there, free and paid. And very soon I will be uploading some very niche, very useful things that not a lot of people in this world have access for. And this course, you pay once, you get all of the updates for the next year, completely for free after you pay. It's hosted on Udemy, so there's this safety there. And let's check the Flappy Bird game. Oh my god, this is absolutely shocking. It's, oh my god, cannot read the property of undefined, check the line limits. Okay, flap. Okay, so we're going to tell it that we had this mistake. Okay, so it supposedly changed like this part of the code. Okay, I will accept one change. So where is the display game? Display game overseen, it's not even there. Okay, so let's go to instant edit, fix the error. So I'm going to ask it to fix the error that I will be attaching. So type error, I could probably fix that on my own, so it should do it. Let's see the response. It responded super fast, supposedly. So I'm going to just copy and paste everything. In order to save sketches, you must be logged in. Oh my god, come on. So it seems like it cannot generate like this game, which is interesting. I expected it to be able to do so, but it seems like it can't. But it doesn't really matter because this model is very fast. Guys, this model is so fast that it is pretty insane. I don't know if it's the problem of the browser. Let me try on Opera. Yeah, so it's loading also on Opera. It's not running. I don't know why. It seems a little strange how it's not able like to run this thing. I expected it to be able. But yeah, it has some kind of errors. So let's say flap. Where is the flap? Error. So flap. Ship.flap. Flap. Which is strange because we actually see the zip over here. Slip.flap. It's really strange that it cannot like read this part. Yeah, but whatever. I mean, it cannot create the game. It has like a small mistake, but in terms of speed and as a new model that is so much faster, and I really don't know how good Gemini 2.0 Flash Lite is. It should be very fast, but it shouldn't be very smart. So yeah, it's a very fast model, has more context. It was released back 1 year ago. So yeah, I don't know, maybe this is a good change by Google. Maybe this is the new architecture they will try to build up to essentially move away from transformers, because if you don't know, diffusion is in images, videos, audio, it's the state of the art there, and they're trying to break into the text modality. So that will take a little bit of time, but it is very promising that Gemini actually has put out their first diffusion model. I think we're going to see huge improvements in this area, which will mean two things: either better performance or faster performance. So both are very good. And yeah, that is it for Gemini Diffusion. Try it out. Tell me down below in the comments if you like this model. I did some very simple use cases that I do pretty much every time we benchmark a model. This is not super smart, but it's fine.